6 days since we planted the food plots. You can see the grass that we sprayed is dying. It takes a couple weeks for that to completely complete. The electric fence is still standing and putting off maximal charge and getting a good boost to the solar today. So I'm gonna go around. You can see how it's a little hard to see that there's this yellow electric fence. So I'm gonna put a little bit of a orange flagging tape on it to make it more visible to the deer so they don't run into it accidentally. Just some orange flagging tape purchased off of Amazon. Just gonna put 2 on top and 1 in the middle on the bottom without getting it too close to something that can ground it out and without electrifying myself. When I planted this, if you remember, I said we're just planting food plots, not for production, but I probably planted this too thickly. You can see that, how much in that row. There's so much seed germinating. I don't know, it may be too tight. We'll see. I like how that's making this flag look, this flagging is making the fence show up a little better. I'm gonna go on around and do that, and probably take me about 20 minutes. Check back in. Follow up on the Borderline mix by Big Time. Mix of sorghum, Sudan grass, giant millet. And this can get up to about 12 foot tall, but right now it looks like it's about, the tallest is about 7 or 8 foot. You can see seed heads still waiting to be formed, so still trying to shoot up some. Yet some has sprouted, some seed heads. Some is very short and very robust and will seed out here shortly. These others will grow another couple feet. But a pretty decent stand for as dry of a summer as we've had. The deer seem like they leave the seed heads alone until later. Birds love it. And this is a perimeter running all the way around that hunting shack to give deer security, a feeling of security. You can see it tipping all the way around. Some security, and then we got a strip running right up the middle of the fall food plot. Fall food plots are just getting going. we sprayed and then planted. So the spraying is killing off the plants, starting to look brown. Takes about 2 weeks for that to happen. And then you can see the start of the fall food plot. So we're about 10 days behind. You can see we planted this with the Tar River drill. So that should come up pretty good. I fertilized this lightly one time. It looks like it could use one more dose, but time is the enemy. So, not going to happen. This is going to be a dynamite food hunting site as time goes on. We have steep slope to apples. Just beyond that row, that borderline on the other side is persimmons. Right here we have a small watering hole just about 25-30 yards away. And it does hold water most of the year, even during the dry. Looks kind of gross, but deer use it. And then we have crab apples, and hazelnut all here growing in the grass. Hard to see, but you can see the apple tree starting to grow. You can see a little better one right there. See the apple tree? Protected. This one's a little shorter. And then on the other side, you can see hazelnuts. See the different leaf? That's hazels. So that'll add more just diversity over time. Gorgeous day. Gonna head back towards the house, see what kind of trouble I can get into there.